Design as a process is a lot like breathing. We do it every day, and so much relies on it, yet we give it so little thought. There are countless ways to define design. This is mine, and this is how I use it in my work and in my everyday life as a data science consultant. To me, design is the process of understanding who, what, and why, and acting on it. Just as different problems require different solutions, people have different needs. What works for an entry-level program analyst might and likely won't work for a senior-level executive assistant. My goal is to create something that excites you just as much as it eases the burden of your daily administrative tasks. That design should be something that includes everything you're looking for. You shouldn't need to open any other file, document, or resource for any reason. I'm looking to demonstrate my understanding of you, your needs and asks, and your goals. Every decision I make is made in consideration of that and what will allow you to work as efficiently and happily as possible. That end product, whatever it may be, will show just as much attention and focus to visual design as it does to functional design. In order to deliver that, I'd like to meet with you so we can discuss those goals. I'd like to ask you about yourself and your role so that I can develop a clear understanding of what you want and what you need. From there, I'll research all of the elements involved in your project. I'll make sure I'm up to date with any relevant industry standard approaches, practices, and techniques before I proceed. Once my research is complete, I'll consider my findings as they relate to your needs and your wants, and I'll propose a final product based on my research, analysis, and findings. With your okay, I'll proceed with final design and present your results as soon as you're ready. Ultimately, I'll develop your project by beginning with an all-inclusive draft. Once complete, I'll examine the draft for what works, what doesn't, and what's missing, and I'll make any necessary edits. I'll test the data and the product for reliability, usability, and functionality to ensure you receive the best possible outcome. Then I'd like to meet with you to gather your thoughts and your feedback. After reviewing your contributions, I'll send over your final product for your approval. Once the process is complete, you'll have a deliverable that meets all of your needs and includes your wants that enhance the overall strength of your product. You'll be confident that I've carefully considered you throughout the entirety of the design process, and the visual designs will be the result of the product function. I like to leave my mark on everything I have the opportunity to contribute to, so I'm always sure to go the extra mile to make sure my design philosophy is reflected in my finished results. So how can I help you? I look forward to seeing what we can create together.